Hi, my name is Olabisi, and I'll be presenting my 15th exercise. This is my source code, and my home activity, my um, design, and this is my text. And these are the strings I used for this exercise. And I'm going to try to log into this application. Login successful. And let me try to create a new account. Let's just say O at uco.edu and see, create a new account. Accounts create successful, and check place here. Just gonna refresh this. And there you go. This is what I just created. And from now on, I'm just gonna say what I added to this program. So I added this button, the forgot password button. So I can't forget, I forgot my password. Check your email to reset password. So I could just check my email, and yeah, slow. And I can click on this link to reset my password. So say I'm gonna change the password, and I can just save it. You can now sign in with your new password. Thank you.